Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. You all, this wristlet for this Rowan, this Camo Rowan, finally came in. I actually had ordered two different wristlets. They came from two different locations. So this particular one, it came from Florida, and then this one came from California. So I had to go ahead and open them because I didn't know which wristlet was which. So this one, let's see. Okay, this one is the actual camo wristlet. So that's the one that has taken, I would say, over a week to finally make it. This other one, this is a floral wristlet, which could actually go with this particular camo as well, because it has green leaves in it, if you all can see that. So that could actually go with the camo and kind of brighten it up some. But the Camo Rowan actually restocked, and then it restocked a couple of times and sold back out pretty quickly, or at least disappeared off the site. But I did let you all know in my what fits in my Rowan, Coach Rowan video, that I was gonna do an update once I received my wristlet and show you all the alternative of what I would actually put in the Rowan instead. There were a lot of votes. I did ask you all to vote for if you would like the orange or the yellow. I would probably say it was pretty tied. Like, I think a lot of people like both. So since I chose the orange before, I am going to go ahead and go with the yellow this time. So, and also, I also got questions about the chain in the back also, and how I attached it. I thought that I did it in one of my other videos, but I'm going to do it for this particular, for the Coach bag as well, so that it will also be applied to this one. So just so you can see, and I'll go ahead and unwrap the wristlet that has taken forever to get here, y'all. Forever. And this is actually the second one that I ordered. I ordered the first one before the price dropped, and that one still hasn't made it. So this is the one I ordered after that one, and it was just delivered. So this is it, the corner zip wristlet. To give you a good close-up of it. And just a quick measurement so that you'll know how long the corner zip actually is, depending on the size of your cell phone. If your cell phone is under 6 inches long, then it would fit in here. If it's longer than that, which most are longer nowadays, then it probably won't fit. So it's about 6x4 are the dimensions for this wristlet. So this is how I would pair it. I would still go with the black as well. Well, actually, in this case, since I replaced the orange with the yellow, I still have the long zip around wristlet. I would probably take out the black, or I could actually carry both, because this one, it will not take up that much space. It is larger than this one, so I could easily do a swap out. I don't know if it would extend as wide with it being full or not, but a close look of the inside, it does have looks like 2 card slots. inside, and here is the label for it as well. And I'm not sure why Coach had the prices different on these. Initially, I want to say this was like $88, and then for about over a week, and then it dropped down to $35, which I think that's what it currently is now. So that was just the inside of it, just the 2 card slots and nothing else on the inside. The wristlet does not detach, but it does match, y'all. So I would say my Coach Rowan camo accessories and everything is now complete. Like I said in the last video, the mini skinny, I'm not gonna use that because everything is gonna fit in here, and this is all not gonna, it's not gonna be hard at all to get this in here. Even if the 2 wristlets, the yellow and the camo wristlet were full, it's still, I would have plenty of room. So even if I do still want to use this one as well, no problem. There is plenty of room in here. This, even though this purse to me is small, it holds a lot, y'all. So whether you get the regular Rowan or the large one, you will not be disappointed at all. So I will, before I close out the video, I will go ahead and show you all how I do my chain across the back. And this is a crossbody chain that I got from Amazon. It was under $10. I want to say it was maybe $7. It does come in gunmetal as well as silver. And I will probably show them in a separate video. Because y'all, I got a lot of stuff from Amazon. But you know, sometimes some of the merchandise takes like a week or two to be delivered versus the 2-day delivery items. So I was trying to get everything in one video, but I may just have to do what I already have. So the way that I put the chain on the back, I usually try to make sure the 2 that I have the 2 ends pretty even, and then I try to get the chain flat. Like that. It's not gonna stay completely flat, but this kind of at least helps leave some wiggle room for it to actually twist as you carry it. So I put it on the end, or the left loop first, and I bring the ends together. Still trying to keep it flat the whole time. And this is a beautiful chain. I like it a lot. Okay, and it's the good thing with this particular chain, the levers aren't too big, so that actually helps make it a little bit easier to get it through the loop here. So I usually go behind. I try it both ways to see if it will kind of secure the chain more, and both kind of did the same thing. So you can go in front of it or behind it, but behind it, and put the ends through here this way. Still trying to keep them even. You are going to have a little separation here, which is actually what you want for the drop there. And then same here, you can go behind or in front of. And then you're just going to loop the ends on this other loop on this side. And that's it, y'all. That's how I figured out how to use my crossbody chain on a smaller bag. Initially, I used it on a large hobo, so it just draped across. But when I switched over to a satchel, I wanted to keep using the chain because I had it so long and hadn't used it. Hadn't used it as a crossbody chain either. So I wanted to figure out a way to use it on my satchels and smaller bags, and this is the way that I figured out how to use it. And as you use it and move the handles and everything, or as the bag rubs up against you, like I said, this can move, so it may do that. I mean, it's not going to stay perfect the whole time, but it is going to stay. It's not going to fall off, so it's definitely going to stay in place. You just kind of have to go in and adjust it every now and then, depending on how you carry it. So that's it, you all. I hope that helps. Comment and let me know. I will also try to, link the add the link for the chain on Amazon in the description for you all, as something easy to add a little something to the back of your bag, and it won't get in the way of you accessing the back zipper either, so you can still get in and out with no problem. Have something cute in the back, keep your charm in the front, and your Coach hang tag in the front as well. So that's it, y'all. I just wanted to come back, like I said that I would, show you how everything looked with the yellow wristlet, and unwrap the camo wristlet with you also, so that you can see everything together. So you all, I have seen a few comments of you all letting me know that you were able to grab the camo bag, that you ordered it and were waiting for it, or it's already been delivered. And some were actually able just to go to their local Coach outlet and get it, which was surprising because it's hard to find. This bag is hard to find. So I guess it really just depends on your location. So, but that's it, you all. I hope you all enjoyed this quick video. Let me know if you have any other questions, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. I look forward to reading your comments. I surely appreciate you all for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing my content as well. I do look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very wonderful day.